Surah Baqarah, ayat number 24 to 26, para 1. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. فَإِلَّمْ تَفْعَلُوا وَلَنْ تَفْعَلُوا. Then if you do not do this and you can never do this, فَاتَّقُوا النَّارَ الَّتِي وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ. Then fear the fire whose fuel is men and stones. أُعِدَّتْ لِلْكَافِرِينَ, which has been prepared for disbelievers. وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ, and give good news to those who believe and do righteous deeds. أَنَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ, that for them there are gardens beneath which rivers flow. كُلَّمَا رُزِقُوا مِنْهَا مِنْ ثَمَرَةٍ رِزْقًا, whenever they are given sustenance from the fruits of these gardens, قَالُوا هَذَا الَّذِي رُزِقْنَا مِنْ قَبْلُ, they will say, this is what we provided with before. وَأُوتُوا بِهِ مُتَشَابِهًا, and it is given to them in likeness. وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا أَزْوَاجٌ مُطَهَّرَةٌ وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ, and they will have therein purified spouses, and there they will live forever. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَسْتَحْيِي أَنْ يَضْرِبَ مَثَلًا مَا بَعُوضَةً. Indeed, Allah does not shy to present an example that is of a mosquito. فَمَا فَوْقَهَا, or what is above it. فَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا, so as for those who believe, فَيَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّهِمْ, then they know that indeed it is the truth from their Lord. وَأَمَّا الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا, and as for those who disbelieve, فَيَقُولُونَ مَاذَا أَرَادَ اللَّهُ بِهَذَا مَثَلًا, then they say, what did Allah intended by this as an example. يُضِلُّ بِهِ كَثِيرًا وَيَهْدِي بِهِ كَثِيرًا, he misleads many thereby and he guides many thereby. وَمَا يُضِلُّ بِهِ إِلَّا الْفَاسِقِينَ, and he misleads not thereby except those who are disobedient. Sadaqallahul Azim. Allah Almighty has spoken the truth.